The image gallery feature is a really key element for a lot of small businesses in order to show off their best assets. So maybe this is for a nightclub and they pride themselves on their really incredible culture and vibe and everything that they've created, and they want to draw people in, so they want to show it off. Or I like to think of it a lot in real estate, for example. Maybe you're a listing agent. This is an opportunity to show what types of luxury real estate homes you sell, and you can show off your really high quality marketing materials. In general, it's just a great way to showcase what it is that you do best. And of course, why not do this with images? That's what we all want, right? So setting it up is pretty simple. Of course, like always, you're going to add it on the features list here by finding the image gallery in this list. Once you've added it to your application, there's a few ways that you can set it up. Of course, customizing your own gallery is probably the most popular. You would start by adding a gallery. You can give it any type of name that you like. This particular app seems to be focused on nature, so this might be called something silly like animals. Now, the display mode, the grid is going to be obviously a grid. Cover flow gives you the ability to scroll through the images. In this case, I think I like the grid. Adding a thumbnail image is pretty simple. We recommend the size of 200 by 200 pixels, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this. Now, to be honest, this couldn't be much simpler. You're just going to go ahead and upload some photos from your computer. Once you've uploaded them, you'll see that they will start to load down here, and you can actually rearrange the order by clicking and dragging. You'll also notice that you can click on each one and a text editor box will show up, and you can write in the description of whatever might be appropriate. Obviously, I'm just adding animal photos here, but this is your opportunity to really build up the value of what it is you're doing. Again, maybe it's a restaurant. They have the most amazing outdoor lounge. That's what everyone wants to come and visit them for. They're in San Diego. They attract a lot of tourists. Really make it clear what it is that this has to offer. That's about it in terms of setting up your own custom galleries. You also have the option to import. This is pretty straightforward as well. Just make a note that if you're using the Facebook option, we're looking for the main Facebook page URL. So in other words, not the Facebook URL for the gallery itself. Typically this URL is something like facebook.com/ and then just the business name with nothing else after it. You also can connect and sync photos from Flickr, Picasa, or Instagram. Now again, import, this is just going to pull in some images. These options actually will sync up the data, and it's just as simple as clicking connect and then logging in to the appropriate account. The most common questions I get here is if my photos aren't showing up, it's likely because the gallery is not public. So make sure that you review all of the settings and everything is available for your customers to see. Now I'm going to come back to customize, and then what you'll see is when you preview the application over here, the content, of course, that I've created, this is the animals feature that I had made for you, will show up and display all of this content. You can click on it. Once you click again, that's when the caption would appear as well. And that's about it.